One of my friends asked me to give her some meal ideas for an upcoming RV trip. So I sat down with her and her sister and a stack of my meal planning templates, and we got to work. In the process, we began talking about recipes that use pre-cooked chicken, and I realized that I didn't have all of my recipes in one convenient place, so I decided to remedy that. Thanks for the invitation, Becky and Sandra. Here are 5 of my favorite meals that use pre-cooked chicken. I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all of these recipes in one place. Number 1 is my pesto tortellini bake freezer meal. I absolutely love freezer meals because I can do a big batch of them all at once, freeze them at home, and then they are ready for a last-minute camp trip. Once at camp, I just defrost, dump it, and cook or reheat. For this particular recipe, you just bake until bubbly and heated through. I like using a cast iron Dutch oven with charcoal briquettes outside, but if the weather is bad, I just bake it inside a dish in my RV oven. Number 2 is Cajun chicken one-pot pasta. There are several ways we pre-cook our chicken. Our favorite way is for Pete to have the grill outside in our backyard completely full. He'll have the entire thing filled with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I like to keep the seasoning really basic so I can turn it into different flavor profiles at camp. Then we'll have a variety of different types of meals. We usually just season with a little salt and pepper. If we're feeling really fancy, we'll add some onion and garlic powder while we're cooking. We let it cook all the way through and then let it cool and portion it for individual recipes. I like to slice it or cube it before freezing because it's just more work that I can do ahead of time before the camp trip. Number 3 are chicken enchiladas. Another way to pre-cook chicken is just to throw it into a slow cooker with a little chicken stock and let it go. This is a great cooking method for recipes that use shredded chicken like these enchiladas. You know, I prefer cooking outside using my Dutch oven, but it's actually easier to fit the enchiladas in a rectangular baking dish instead of a round Dutch oven. So making this in your RV oven might be how you want to actually bake this meal. Number 4, pizzas. I have 2 family favorites: chicken Alfredo pizza and chicken and basil pesto pizza. Number 5, chicken quesadillas. You know I'm not kidding when I say how much I love making recipes like this. I've been doing it for a really long time. Heck, this video is from 2014. Where has the time gone? Anywho, in this recipe, I am calling for Mexican seasoned grilled chicken breast. But if you didn't season the chicken when you originally cooked it, then you can just heat it up with a little bit of salsa. If you like these ideas, you may want to do something similar with beef. I did a video on how I make my 2-ingredient crock-pot shredded beef for make-ahead camping meals. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to see exactly how I use my meal planner template, and you want to get a free copy for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below for that video where you can find everything right there. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to help you in any way that I can. And also, if you have any really awesome ideas on how you make camping meals using pre-cooked chicken, I would love to hear that too. Talk to you again soon.